This is a tutorial on America the Beautiful as a piano accompanist. So this time we're going to be playing our chord in the right hand. We don't play the melody, we play the chord in the right hand. The left hand will play the root note, the note the chord's named for, on the bottom, and the left hand is a bass note, and you sing on top of that. So I'll show you the chords here. We start with a B flat chord, the first chord. And we play that one in root position here, B flat, D, and F. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies. Spacious is an F chord, and we're going to invert that and play it like this, A, C, and F. For spacious skies, for amber, that's an F7 chord there. You add that note, E flat, to the chord, so it's A, C, E flat, and F, M, and it's beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain. Goes back to the B flat chord there on grain. For purple mountains, majesty, that's another F chord there. Above, there's a G7 chord, it's G. G, B, D, and F. Above the fruited, that's a C7 chord on fruited. G, B flat, C, and E. Fruited plain. Another F chord there in plain. America's that F7 chord, adds that E flat note there. America, that's another B flat. America, that's F. God shed, F7, His grace on thee, B flat. Then you play this B flat 7th chord, which is adding this A flat. So it's turning that B flat chord into a B flat 7 by adding that note. And crown, that's an E flat chord, which we're inverting. The bottom note is G, B flat, and E flat on the top. And crown thy good with brotherhood, another B flat, from C flat to shining, that's F7. C, another B flat. So those are the chords there in your right hand. Pretty simple. They stay right in the same area there. Then all we need is the root note down low for the bass note. So we play, oh beautiful. We got a B flat way down here for that bass note. Beautiful for spacious skies, you've got the F there. For amber, that's F7. Waves of grain, B flat there. In the left hand, for purple mountains, majesty, another F. Above, that's G7, above the fruited plain. There's an F there. America, America, another F. God shed, F7, His grace on thee, and crown, that's E flat. So you got that in the bottom, E flat. Crown thy good with brotherhood, from C flat, F7, B flat. And this is what it sounds like when you do it to both hands. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, or purple mountains, majesty above